See here, when they are given the multivariable function, for example, z is equal to here, this is called z, okay?
Yes.
Z is equal to 2x square minus xy plus 3y square plus 10x plus 15y plus 100. So find out the first order partial derivative of z with respect to x and y. First we can find out the z with respect to x, then we will find out z with respect to y. So first here, this function seems that z is function of x comma y. This is called multivariable function. Multivariable function because there are two independent variables, one dependent variable. Okay. So here, when you are going to do the z with respect to x, that is zx. Okay. This is called z is function with respect to z is function of x when y is constant. So therefore, we will rewrite that zx value. So zx is equal to 2x square, where the x value is there. See here, x is there, and x is there. Okay, you can take the values. So zx is equal, so 2x square minus xy plus 10x, right? So next we can find out the derivative z with respect to x. Okay, so or do the derivatives. So here, in order to do the derivative, simple like this. For example, in order to get the derivative, simple you can follow. That is a power into base power minus 1. Power into base power minus 1. So power nothing but ఘాతాంకము. In Telugu we can say ఘాతాంకము. 2x ఘాతాంకం విలువ 2 ఉన్నప్పుడు ఈ 2 అనేది ఏంటంటే పవర్ వాల్యూ. 2x అనేది ఏంటంటే బేస్ వాల్యూ. 2x is called base, 2 is called power value. So is a power into base. Power is nothing but how much? 2 into 2 multiplied by base. How much the base is here? 2x.
2x.
Then again power minus 1. P is nothing but 2 minus 1. 2 into 2x, 2 minus 1. So 2 into 2x, 4x, 2 minus 1, 1. For example, generally in the mathematics, when there is a power value is equal to 1, we cannot write that 1. Okay, when the power value is more than 1, we can write 1.5, 2 or 3 or 4, we can write. But when the power value is equal to 1, so we cannot write it 1. So therefore, we can write x 4x only, 4x. Okay. Okay. So then there is a x and y. So here the power value is nothing but 1. So therefore, simple we can remember when there is a like this x comma y. So when we are dealing with z with respect to x, simple we can take y. Okay. Simple 1 into y. 1 into y only. Okay. So we can take y. So the 10x how much will come derivative when you do the derivative?
10, sir.
Only 10.
10.
Plus
10.
Okay, so this is a first derivative of z with respect to x. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So then z with respect to y. So this is I am going to simplify this. See, z is function of y when x is constant, right? Hello. Then we can write zy. So what are the variables which we can include here? So this xy will come, this 3y square come, and 15y come, right?
Yes, sir. 15y plus 15.
So minus xy plus 3y square minus 15y, right? Plus 15y. Am I right?
Yes.
So here then we can do the derivative. Do the derivative. Simple z with respect to y. How much value will come here?
Zy is equal to...
When you can take opposite value. When we are dealing with the zy, so simple you can take x. Okay, y into x. So one, if for example y value is here 1. So 1 into x, x. So therefore next 3y square. How much will come?
6y, sir.
Here 3y square. So that is the power into base power minus 1. So power is nothing but 2. Okay, 2 into base 3y, 2 minus 1. 2 into 3y, 6y. 2 into 1, 1. So therefore we can write only 6y. Okay. 6y plus 15y. How much will come?
15.
Only 15. Okay, this answer and this answer is right. This is the first order partial derivative.
Yes.
Have you understood, please?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, let me know. Have you understood? Anybody, if you don't understand, let me know. If other people. Srilata, Supriya, Sahiti,
Yeah, sir, I understood.
Yes, I understand.
Shravya, Amala, Afrin, Sonalika, Jasmine,
Understood, sir.
Jasmine, Sumalata, Urmila, Anisha, Divya.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, I'm going to give you another example. You can do it home, also homework. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See, example. Okay. So z is equal 3x power 3 minus 2xy plus y power 4 dx plus 15y minus 50. So please take these notes, this problem, then find out the so dou z by dou x, dou z by dou y. So it means that dou z by dou y nothing but first order partial derivative z with respect to x, z with respect to y. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So whatever we have done earlier, say here. I forgot it. Okay. So nothing but dou z by dou x, nothing but zx. Okay. Nothing but here z is function of x. Okay. When x is constant. Sorry, when y is constant. Okay. So dou z by dou y. Z with respect to y. So z is function of y. So when x is constant. X is constant. Okay, don't confuse. Dou by dou x, dou by dou z. Okay. So you can do whatever we have done earlier. Okay. Yeah, still anybody wants to know anything?